a small topic left in the second chapter, that is nitrogen fixation. Why we need nitrogen? Whatever structures you are seeing here, these are the proteins, okay, and proteins are made up of ammonia, carboxylic acids, okay, and for this all the living organisms need nitrogen. This nitrogen we are getting from the food, okay, but what about plants? They are preparing their own food, but few plants can absorb the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere and few are absorbing through the soil, okay. Nitrogen fixing bacteria fixes atmospheric nitrogen and that is absorbing by the plants, and few plants are not absorbing whether soil dissolved nitrogen or the atmospheric nitrogen. In these cases that plant depends on other organisms, okay, like leguminous plants, they can't fix the atmospheric nitrogen. For this they are depending on rhizobium bacteria. Whatever you are seeing yellow color structures here, they are rhizobium bacteria forming nodules in the leguminous plants. Inside the nodules, it gives shelter to the rhizobium bacteria, and these bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen and it give it to the plant, okay. And instead of giving the nitrogen, it used to take food and shelter from the plant, and this type of living relationship is known as symbiotic relationship, okay. And this is how the leguminous plants are taking nitrogen. And next one, nitrogen cycle. If once the nitrogen enters in the body, plant body or animal body, and how it is releasing in the atmosphere again, for this also bacteria are helping us, okay, to fix the atmospheric nitrogen and for the denitrification also. To release the nitrogen into the environment, we need microorganisms, okay. And through this nitrogen fixation and denitrification, the nitrogen amount is always fixed in the atmosphere, okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.